Okay, door is open. It's the 26th. I just checked my phone. So, here we go. Yeah. Okay. Arch is getting finished. It's a little smoother than it was several days ago. Okay. A lot of moisture in the air from this mudding of the walls. I forgot my tape measure, darn it. But anyway, that gives you an idea. The arches like that. And this is where I'm looking for that mirror. It needs to be like 120 centimeters or so. And there'll be two sconces, one there, one over there, and then the mirror. So I think that would be pretty. Ceiling's more finished. Okay. Okay, first bedroom. Yeah, I'm taping the edges. Would be another sconce up there. And then outlets here on either side of the bed. Yeah, I'm finishing the corners here. Okay. Back into the living room. And then the second bedroom. Bene. I think this bedroom is a little smaller, so I'm thinking of putting a sofa bed in here. So there's more room. Yeah, because most of the time I won't need the bed. But when people come, I want to, and I'm thinking of getting a sofa bed in here as well, for that same reason. So, walking on, I don't think anything more has been done to these rooms yet. Nope. Nope, not yet. No. Okay. Nope. Just putting more stuff in here to get out of the way. Oh, they've straightened up this room. Yeah. They've organized their stuff a bit more. Yeah. That's the nasty corner. Okay. Yep. So I think that smaller unit that I was looking at IKEA can fit in that space. And then, so the doors would probably open to about here. And then I think I want to do like a drop leaf table that'll also be a workspace here. And one of those rolling work carts. I don't know if there'll be enough room on this side because the kitchen countertop is actually going to almost come out to where the door handle is here. Well, that gives me, of course I didn't bring my tape measure, at least a meter, a little more than a meter. And I measured some of those rolling carts last time I was at IKEA, so I think, oh, I wonder why the door looks like that. Okay, I'm going to stop this for a minute so I can get the door open. It usually takes me a minute or two.